Circles. Do some more circles. Circles, Macy. Yay! Oh, circles. 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 Whoa. I'm dizzy. Circles. Circles. Whoa. Circles. Oh. Let's see. Nolan's over here bopping around. Can we see you? Hey, Nolan. Are you playing under your jungle gym? And Macy's doing circles. More circles. Go, 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 go. Go, Macy, go. Go, Macy, go. Whoa. Somebody's gonna like roller coasters when she gets older. Whoa! It's May 22nd, 2014. Go, Macy, go! Macy's being silly. Don't fall. Whoa! Circles, circles. I'm gonna follow circles. Circles. Whoa. You're making mommy dizzy just watching you. Say, what's Nolan doing? Whoa, did you fall because you're dizzy? You should probably unwind yourself. That's not yours. It's both of yours. You can share. See you, Nolan. He's wiggly. 3 months old. Yeah, we know you know that word. Alright, I guess we better go before Macy attacks Nolan. Nolan, go. What is it? It's yours? It's not yours. It's both of yours. Nolan can't play with it. Yeah, Nolan can play. No, that was Shelby's. So cute, beautiful. Okay, we're gonna say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to me, Nolan. Bye. Tell the camera bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Macy, say bye-bye.
Bye.
Say bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye, Mima.
Bye.
Bye, Mima.
Bye.
Bye, Becky. Bye, Stacy. Bye, Granddaddy. She wants to get into the video.